Dutch here with June's Cat Lady Box. Crazy Cat Lady Box. Juliet is super excited. She wants to know what's inside. She's rubbing up all on it right now. So let's see. If you guys don't know what the Cat Lady Box is, it is a subscription service for cat lovers and their little fur babies, like little Miss Juliet here, who doesn't want any interest in me right now. She wants the box. So there are two options for the Cat Lady Box. There is the regular Cat Lady Box, which you get 2 to 3 cat-themed items for yourself, and that runs $34.99 a month. And then there is the Crazy Cat Lady Box, which is what I get, which is $39.99 a month, and you get those 2 to 3 cat-themed items for yourself, plus 2 little toys for your little fur baby. So, let us see what is in June's box. We always get the card. There's always some amazing artist that designs the card. Now on the back of the card it explains what's in the box. I don't ever look until afterwards. The theme is Summer of Meow. The Summer of Meow. All right. So, let's get the tissue paper. Julie, oh, this is so going on my car right now. It is a license plate frame. Little kitty cats has got the cats. Oh, that's so cute. They're almost Egyptian-like. I like that. License plate. And it says Cat Lady on the bottom of the license plate. My camera would focus. Cat Lady. I love it. I love it. All right, Juliet is now officially in the box. So there's that. She's yelling at me. She needs a toy. She needs it. She needs it. So, first toy, it's a fish. It's a fishy. Let's see. Does it have, it's Loopies. Oh, supervised use only. Juliet, do you hear that? Juliet, supervised use only. Come on. She's looking at it, but she sees the other toy in there, which we will get to. Now, oh, look at that water cup. That is awesome. Oh, she got the other toy. Look at that. I have a water bottle that I use for work all the time, which is, so here is the water cup that we got. This is the water bottle that I got in another Cat Lady box that I love and I use for work all the time. This is awesome. You can never have enough water cups. So, and then the straw that comes with it, which is nice. I love these. Love them. Great for summer. And one thing that I love about Cat Lady is that a lot of times they give shirts. I love all my cat shirts. It says Summer of Meow. Aww. See? Block it. Look at the kitties. Summer of Meow. Now, I do have a slight problem with white shirts because I tend to have a hole in my mouth when I eat and I stain them really easily. So I'm not a huge fan of white shirts, but I love it. I love it, and I'll still wear it until I stain it. If you guys have any questions about the clothing that comes in, all the shirts and stuff, the sizes run perfect. So if you are a large, get a large. If you're a medium, get a medium. The sizes run great. All right, last but not least, the last cat toy. And it's a little crinkly one. Look at the little convertible car. Catnip convertible. And it even has the Cat Lady Box license plate. So, here is, Juliet, you want? See, there she goes. She wants that toy. All right, so June's Cat Lady Box is, so June's, little Juliet, June's Cat Lady Box, you've got let me move, the awesome cup. You have the license plate frame. You've got the cool Summer of Meow shirt. You've got the fish toy. You've got the convertible. Doesn't come with Juliet. I know. You wish. But she'll talk to you. So, this is June's Crazy Cat Lady box. Toys. If you guys have any questions, if you want to make fun of me because I can't balance a box, if you want to say hi to Juliet, please, she loves her adoring fans. If you have any questions about the box or about the subscription service, please leave me a message, leave me a comment. Don't forget to give Juliet a thumbs up. You can check out my Facebook page, Dutch Reviews, and check out some of the past boxes if you're unsure of whether or not you want to get this subscription box. You can check out all my past boxes and see what comes in them. If you see items in past boxes that you really, really want, you can get on the Cat Lady website and order them separately. So, like I said, any questions or comments, please leave me a message, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to check out my Facebook page and thumbs up to Juliet. Bye.